Today we are going to see how to develop a simple game using Scratch 1.4. Okay. Initially delete this sprite 1, then in the stage click here, then select the background. There edit the background. The background here today we are going to see the parrot is flying. So the suitable for parrot is background, I think nature. So I'm going to click on the import here, then select here nature, here flower bed, okay, then click on okay. The background has appeared here. Now click on scripts. Now select the sprite because we are showing how the parrot is flying. Select the parrot from choose new sprite from file. Okay. Here select the animal folder. Click on OK. We are showing the parrot is flying. We need an bird as a parrot. So select here parrot 1A. Click on parrot 1A. OK. Now reallocate the parrot as you want. Now I'm going to rotate this sprite because it should see like it is flying. So I have rotated little bit. Now come to script here. Now using the click on to the sprite scripts, click on to the control. Now click and drag. When this flag button, green flag button is clicked, again click and drag forever. Next click on to the motion. No, look, click on to the look, switch to costume, that is parrot 1. Now I am assigning the code for the parrot 1. Next come to control, click on to the control, wait 1 second. Let us reduce this 1 second to 0.5 seconds. Again you come to the looks. Again click and drag the button, say hello for 2 seconds. Now I'm going to type here some other information like hello, thanks for helping me to fly, thanks for helping me to fly. No, the seconds will be same as it is. Now in the motion move 10 steps, move 10 steps. Here we are observing that the parrot wings are up. During the flying of bird, the parrot wings will be moving up and down. So in the costume, click on the costume, click on the costume, again click on here import, then here you select the parrot B. Here we are observing that its wings are down. Click on OK. Again click on scripts. Again click on scripts. Come to motion. No. Again come to looks. Switch to costume B. Okay. This finish our scripting part. Now let's run our sprite by clicking on green button. This is how parrot is flying. Okay, thank you.